All right, this is oh, about 12 noon, lunchtime. Yeah, and May 1st, right? I just had my big lunch. It turned out I was gonna have half, thinking a half of a Subway, but then oh my goodness, the half of capriotis, so turkey sandwich. Wow, that came out to be more than a full size of Subway. So anyway, I was able to get it and then eat it. Wow. So there's a Kahala market by Foodland. Alright. And then oh yeah, territorial savings. Yeah, right here. They actually have a sign right over here saying, look at that. It says Kahala branch will be temporarily closed daily for lunch from 11 a.m. until 12 noon due to a staffing shortage. Oh, so yeah, lots of health wellness signs and staffing shortage. So I figure I gotta do some walking, before I do some ride share thing. But okay, what I figure is, oh, nice pond. Oh, no fish. All right, so good eating area. Kahala Market, Foodland, right? So I figure, so I want to go in. Yeah, take a little walk. Nice area. Yeah. So I figure, why not? Oh, nice and cool in here. Got flowers. I can do my walk. Yeah. And oh, they got that eating area over here. Oh, busy, popular. I gotta come stop by sometime, And then, oh yeah, hot food. Poke bowl. Wow, poke. A lot of people. Yeah. And on this side too, eat good food. Wow, sushi, and got meat. And the whole area is not too big. This food lab, right? Okay. And looking at the prices, haven't gone up much. Everything pretty about the same. Yeah. So, as far as the market wise, it's not affected here as of yet. Yeah. Nor any other supermarkets on this island. Everything's pretty good still. It's like, yeah. Ooh, tofu $2.99. Yeah. That's a pretty good price right there. Okay. So and lots of eggs. Yeah. So what is this? 99, and that's Waialae fresh, 1,000, cage free, large. Right. So got local eggs, and oh, it's got actually got the mainland eggs, but mainland eggs are $10.29. Okay. Yeah. So mainland eggs are more expensive. Huh. Okay. And got the milk. Yeah. $7.99 per gallon. Alright. Yeah. So liquor area. Wines all over. Bed. Yeah. Alright, so this is a small Foodland. Got to walk around. Yeah, I say. Alright. Nice area. Okay. And at L. One day I'm probably gonna have to try it out, see how it is over here. Okay, so and that, yeah, small Foodland, but nice and clean, very organized. Yeah. So, all right, I'm back out and then get ready for driving. All right, thanks for watching.